Good morning, teacher สวัสดีค่ะ
Good morning, teacher.
Okay, how are you today?
I'm okay. And you?
Okay, I'm good. I'm happy to see you again. Okay, how is the weather over there? How is the weather today?
Oh, good.
Okay, yes, in the morning the weather is good. It's very nice. Okay, for today, I'm going to share with you our paper. Okay, we have one paper. Okay, teacher, can you see our paper now?
Okay.
I don't see you yet.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, good. Okay, I'm going to start. Okay, teacher, can you please share me what is your goal? What is your goal for today? เป้าหมายของยูค่ะ
ต่อมาคือ prepare
Yes.
เริ่มใหม่เลยอะไรนะ prepare in the classroom
Prepare for the opening of
yes
yeah, okay. So
school.
what is your plan for today?
I checkจำให้ตอบอันเดิมจำไม่ได้แล้ว I check classroom I check
Okay, check the classroom. The decoration of the classroom. Okay, yes. So now I'm going to ask you what makes you proud or what are you proud about? Here. Any work done มีงานสำเร็จไหมที่อยู่ภูมิใจไหมคะ
have
Again please. Yeah, what makes you proud or what are the things that make you happy? Did you finish your work?
Yes. Okay. I work hard. You need
work.
I work.
AR. Okay. Yeah, I got that.
I work report.
Okay, yes. Okay, so how about your reading? Did you read anything or a book, something like that, newspaper?
I reading academic book.
Okay, academic report. Okay. Okay, that's good. Okay, so we're going to read your sentences. Okay. You shared me your.
I am cleaning the part.
Yes. Okay. Our work for today. Okay. Cleaning. Okay. Can you?
I am cleaning the room.
Okay. Good. Number 2.
Table.
Okay. Your sentence. Hello, teacher.
I check tables in the classroom.
Okay, good. Okay, number 3. Okay, your word number 3. Okay, your sentence.
I check the broken fans.
Okay, that's good. Okay, teacher, so that's your 3 words. Okay, for my part, I will share with you. Okay, let's read together. Okay, number 1. Virus. Okay,
You
can
do
you
there.
repeat again? Virus.
Okay. Many country were very
Okay, wait, teacher. Okay, you just say the word first. Okay, the word virus.
โอเคจำไม่ได้เหรอคำเนี้ยไว
Okay,
รัส
look at my mouth. Virus.
เนี่ยสัญญาณมันไม่ค่อยดีเลยไวรัส
Okay, I will read a sentence. Many countries were badly affected by this
affected
coronavirus. Okay, can you try
okay
that?
many country were affected by this coronavirus
Okay, you say by
by
this
this
coronavirus.
coronavirus
Okay, next we go on to number 2. World Health Organization. World Health
สัญญาณ
Organization.
จะไปแล้วโอเค
Okay, teacher. Can you repeat after me? World Health Organization. Hello, teacher. Is your connection good?
มันสะดุดดิไม่ได้ยินเลย Hello teacher
Yes. Is your connection
Rissa
okay? Yeah. Hello. Okay.
เนี่ยโอเคขึ้นหน้านี้
Okay.
แล้วพี่
So we continue, teacher. Okay.
โอเค
Okay.
ต่อ
So
ไปเรื่อย
we're going to read number 2. Okay. The word
Okay.
is the word World Health Organization. Okay. Can you repeat
โอ
that?
เคโอเค The World Health Organization is working hard to discover and vaccine to stop the spread of the virus
Okay. I repeat one more time. The World Health Organization is working
is
hard
working hard
to discover vaccines
discover
to stop the
to stop
spread of this virus.
this virus.
Okay. We go to number 3. Follow me. Discipline.
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 All people must have a discipline to follow the virus and
To
regression
implement
implemented by the government.
government. Okay, wait, teacher. I will read first. Okay. All people must have a
Must
discipline to follow the rules and regulations implemented by the government. Okay, I repeat one more time.
Okay.
All people must have
must have
discipline
a
to follow
or
the rules and regulations
and
implemented by the government.
by the government.
Okay, one more time, your turn.
All people must have a
Discipline.
this discipline to follow the rules and
Regulations.
regulation implemented by the government
Okay, this is by.
by
Okay,
the government.
good. Okay, number 4. We go to number 4. Quarantine.
Quarantine.
Yes, I will read the sentence. The travelers from other countries were put
The
into
traveler
quarantine for 14
for
days. Okay, can you try that?
again this.
The
You
travelers,
slow, you slow.
okay, the travelers from other countries
Travel,
were
travel,
put into
travel.
quarantine for 14 days.
14 days. Okay.
Yes.
The the travelers from other countries were put into
Quarantine.
quarantine for 14 days.
Okay, very good. Let's try this one. Countries.
Countries.
Okay, very good. Okay, number 5, the last one. Situation.
Situation.
Okay, I read the sentence. Schools will be
School
open if
open.
the coronavirus
Coronavirus.
situation improves. I repeat one more time. Schools will be
School
open if the
if the
coronavirus
coronavirus
situation
situation.
improves.
Okay.
Okay, you try.
School will be open if the coronavirus situation improves.
Okay, very good, teacher. Okay, for the last one, follow me. Virus.
Virus.
World Health Organization.
World Health Organization.
Very good. Discipline.
Discipline.
Okay. Quarantine.
Quarantine.
Situation.
Situation.
Okay, thank you for today, teacher. So I wish you good luck. I share the paper with you, okay?
Okay,
Goodbye.
thank you. Goodbye. Okay. Teacher Yaya,